Let's solve this problem. In this problem, pressure of pure H2O is given, which is 12.3 kPa kilopascal, and it is a 1 molar solution. So find what is given. Pressure of pure H2O is 12.3 kilopascal, and here it is 1 molar solution. What is 1 molar? 1 molar means it is molality of the solution, and molality of solution is number of moles present in 1 kg of solvent. So if we take mass of solvent is equal to 1 kg mass of solvent, and here solvent is water. So mass of solvent is 1 kg, then number of moles of solute will equal to 1 moles. What to find here? We have to find pressure, partial pressure of the solution. So formula of partial pressure is partial pressure generated by the H2O is equal to pressure of pure H2O into molar fraction of H2O. This value is already given in this problem. So we have to calculate this value, molar fraction of H2O. So what is the formula of molar fraction? The formula of molar fraction of H2O will number of moles of H2O divided by total number of moles. And in total number of moles there are two components, solvent and solute. That means moles of plus moles of solute. This is our second equation. Here we know number of moles of solute, it is 1 mole. So we have to calculate number of moles of H2O. So what is the formula of number of moles? Number of moles of H2O is equal to mass of H2O divided by molar mass of H2O. Here we know the mass of H2O is 1 kg, and 1 kg is always equal to 1000 gram. So mass of H2O is 1000 gram, and we have to calculate molar mass of H2O. Molar mass of H2O. Here you can see there are two hydrogen atoms. So we get 2 into 1. 1 is the atomic mass of hydrogen, and the atomic mass of oxygen is 16. After calculation we get 18 gram per mole. Now we can plug this value in our equation number 3. So plug in equation 3. Mass of H2O, it is 1000 gram divided by molar mass of H2O, and we have calculated it is 18 gram. So plug the value, and after calculating it we get 55.56 moles. Now we have calculated number of moles of H2O. So now we know this value and also this value. So we can calculate molar fraction of H2O. So what is the formula of molar fraction? Molar fraction of H2O will equal to number of moles of H2O, it is 55.656 divided by total number of moles, that means number of moles of H2O plus number of moles of solute. And here number of moles of H2O is 55.56 plus number of moles of solute, and we know it is 1. So plug value here. Now calculate it, and after calculating it we get 0.9823. So we have calculated this value, and we know this value, it is equal to 12.3 kilopascal. So we can calculate partial pressure of H2O. So our partial pressure of H2O will equal to pressure of pure H2O, it is 12.3, plug the value into molar fraction X. Value of H2O is this. And after calculation, we will get 12.08, and here unit of pressure is kilopascal. So we will write here kilopascal. This is our answer.